I'm Shelby. I'm one of the mental health and wellbeing champions here at the Cumberland, and I am a trainee automated test analyst. So this is actually our second annual Wellbeing Day here at Cumberland House. The whole point of the day is just to get people in, talking to each other, mainly around the topic of mental health and wellbeing, but also we've got a lot of different charities and vendors here doing different talks virtually and in person, just to make it accessible for branch and colleagues that are in the office. Just getting an open dialogue surrounding mental health and getting rid of that kind of stigma and making sure that they know what kind of help and advice and signposting is available. My favourite part of the Wellbeing Day, and it was the same last year and it'll probably be exactly the same next year, is seeing everybody get together in the head office. A lot of people that you don't usually see all in the same room, being able to get some really good chats in with people, start some really good conversations and just getting the energy up.
Hi, I'm Nina. I'm from Carlisle and I work in marketing, training and business development for Every Life Matters, which is a suicide prevention charity here in Cumbria. I'm here today to raise awareness for suicide prevention, postvention and bereavement support, because that's what our charity does. And I'm here to show a face, to talk to people, to open up to the conversation about suicide.
I'm Chris. I'm from Carlisle. My role in Annie's Man Club is I'm lead facilitator, so I'm sort of the go-to to get information for Carlisle. I'm here today to raise awareness to say that men can talk as well, because there's a bit of a stigma about men opening up and talking.
Hi, my name's Kevin Aiken. I'm based in the intermediary team. I'm really keen to get involved today in the mental health side because it's something that I've seen friends and family suffer from, and I think it's really, really important to talk more about it and try and break down the stigma that's involved. I think the main thing about today that I've enjoyed is just seeing how many people have come out and actively supporting what's going on here. A lot of the issues that are raised are really difficult, and there'll be people in the building that are going through them right now. So it's great for them to be able to see the support that they've got and hear about all the positive work that's going on in the background to try and help improve the situation for those people and to make it better.